Hey guys, I'm Shawn of webpianoteacher.com. How are you doing? Well, we're doing the first track today on Rubber Soul. I'm going to do all the tracks because I love that Beatles album, and it's Drive My Car. Okay, so we're going to do that. Here's a little guitar bass intro thing. And then the chords. So there, do the one more time. That's really cool there. So I love doing, we're going to do the chords, but I like putting, when the guitar has something or the bass has a cool little bass line, I try to put all that stuff in there. Makes it sound really fun, especially if you can have, if you have a keyboard and you can split the keyboard and have a guitar sound on one side and the bass on the other. That's kind of neat to mess with. Anyway, so my website is webpianoteacher.com, and this is the way I teach. I use letters on a whiteboard. A lot of people just want to play their favorite songs the way their artists play them. They want to sound like the album version, and they don't want to mess with reading music. I understand that, and a lot of my best students I ever had learned this way. They didn't want to read music, and maybe you're in that same boat, and you can play everything you want to play and do it this way, and it's works for a lot of people. So you can download my sheet on the website, as well as all my sheets. I have a lot of other Beatles tunes, and I'm going to do all the songs on Rubber Soul. That's going to be really cool. Okay, so we look at this. We have the guitar first. Okay, so we start with the A below middle C. And I'm going to start with my thumb, and then a middle C. Now the next one's a D, but I have a little hook on it. So that just means a blues note coming down on top. So I'm going to do an E flat, flip it down to a D, 4-3. Okay, so what's happening with the guitar players can do bends on notes. You ever see them, they do that and they're bending the string, they're pushing it up or pulling it down, and they're bending it, they're making a blues note. Well, we can't really do that on piano, so we try to, do some little magic trickery to make it sound like a blues. But it sounds pretty cool. We get away with it. And so that's what we're doing here. A, C, D, but I'm flipping down from E flat, C, A, F natural. So, and then C and E I'm going to do with 2 and 4, and then D, F sharp I'll do with 3 and 5. And then I play these two again, D and F sharp to C and A on my thumb, C and E, and then D and F sharp. Okay, so do 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 do. Now this is the bass line. I guess Paul's playing that, but that's cool. So A, C, D, D, 4, 2, 1, 5. So you can kind of hang out on that D. You can. All right. So the tricky part is putting their hands together. So I recommend learning right hand and learning left hand, kind of play them separately. Can make sure you can do that. Then try to put them together because it's a little bit tricky to put them together, all right? So let's try. So right hand starts. When you get to the F, the left hand will start. And then C's by itself. And then together. So. Ask that girl what she... Can't quite sing yet. Getting my voice back a little piece at a time, but not ready to sing. There we go. All right, so there we go with our part 1, free part 1 on YouTube. Guys, on the rest of the lessons are on the website, looking at the wrong camera, webpianoteacher.com. Hope you enjoy it. Talk to you later.